Okay, class, this is one of the articles for week 5, Newsela. Seattle City Council OKs tax on soda, sugary drinks. Okay. Rows of sodas and other sugary drinks at a supermarket in Seattle. There is a new tax on sugary beverages. Photo from Wikimedia Commons. This is written by Fuang Lee, Associated Press, adapted by Newsela staff. Seattle, Washington. The Seattle City Council has approved a new tax on soda and other sugary beverages. The tax is a way to raise millions of dollars for healthy food and educated programs. The ordinance calls for a tax of 1.75 cents per ounce. It will be paid by distributors of beverages such as Pepsi and Coke, sports drinks, energy drinks, and other sweetened drinks. The tax excludes diet drinks. Supporters included public health advocates and community groups. These groups cheered after the measure passed on a 7-1 vote. They say it will cut down on the consumption of sugary drinks that have little nutritional value. These drinks are linked to obesity, diabetes, and other health problems. Businesses and labor groups spoke out against the tax. They say it will hurt small businesses and cost jobs. Other critics called the tax regressive, saying it will affect low-income consumers the most. Seattle joins a handful of other cities nationwide that have a soda tax. Last month, voters in Santa Fe, New Mexico, resoundingly rejected a soda tax proposal. But Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Oakland, California, have approved taxes on sugary beverages. Councilman Tim Burgess sponsored Seattle's measure. He said there is indisputable evidence that sugary drinks have negative health outcomes and that people of color are disproportionately targeted. Liquid sugar has zero nutritional benefits, he said. Mayor Ed Murray proposed the idea for the tax in February. He suggested it could raise millions of programs that promote access to healthy food. The tax could also pay for programs that help address educational disparities between white and minority students. Jennifer Q is president of Seattle-based Jones Soda. Q said the company believes in the intention of the funds, but Q said it wasn't fair to target one industry. Keep Seattle Livable for All is a coalition of businesses. The group doesn't like the tax either. It said in a statement Monday that this job-killing tax will drive up costs and further increase income inequality in Seattle. Some of the money raised by the tax would also go to job retraining and placement programs for workers negatively impacted by the tax. Community groups backed the measure because it would direct money to programs aimed at helping working families that can't afford healthy foods. Some people spoke in favor of the tax, but recommended that the council consider including diet drinks as a matter of fairness. The mayor revised his initial plan to include diet sodas after a racial equity analysis. The study shows that the diet sodas tend to be favored among wealthy people and white people. Tammy Nguyen is an organizer of the community group Green. She said, "This is a significant victory by and for working families throughout Seattle. The new law closing the food security gap as the #1 investment priority for the tax revenue," Nguyen said.